This is Delta Electronica SM70CP450 15 kilowatt bidirectional power supply. We'll see photovoltaic simulation in this. So to do this, we have to do some settings. We'll open the web page of this instrument. This is the web page of the instrument. Here we will first go to configuration and functions. Now from functions we will enable, it is by default set as none, will enable photovoltaic simulation from here and apply function type. Once you do this, you will see when you expand this, according to photovoltaic simulation, the other parameters which you can input according to your need are available. This is VMPP, voltage maximum power point, IMPP, current maximum power point, VOC, open circuit voltage, ISC, short circuit current, G reference and GPV is for irradiance, T reference is for temperature, alpha beta is for temperature coefficient, CG panel constant, CV is also panel constant, CR is also panel constant. This direct mode, it has two options, enabled or disabled. When direct mode is disabled, the output is switched off. When you will change anything in the setting, the output will automatically switch off. If you don't want this, you can enable it from here. And this voltage input source, current input source and power sense input source is by default set to none. This we have to configure it from general and from sources. So these are all the settings of photovoltaic simulation. Now we have Kyocera panel parameters with us, so we will input some values accordingly. So according to Kyocera panel, we will enter VMPP as 29.8, IMPP as 8.06, IMPP as 8.06, open circuit voltage as 36.9 and short circuit current as 8.59. Rest all, if you need, according to your need, you can change the irradiance also in G reference and GPV. Temperature also, according to your requirement, you can change it from here. Temperature coefficient also, you can change it accordingly. So I am keeping it as it is. Now after inputting all this, you have to select apply settings. So once the settings are applied, now you have to go to, under configuration you have to go to general, to sources, and you have to change the source from front to function 1. As the photovoltaic simulation is available under functions, so you have to select function 1 from here. Once you select function, everything as function 1, voltage source, current source and power source, you have to apply the settings. Once you do this, you can see the parameter has changed from front to function 1 and it is showing the open circuit voltage as 36.9. Now you can see the instrument has automatically set to the inputs we have applied. Now what we will do is, after changing the source to function, we will go to console. We need to refresh the page once. After doing all this, we have to refresh the page once. So you can see a new parameter here under console, that is simulation. Once we go to simulation, you can see this is the PV simulation panel web interface. So the orange line indicates here VI curve and blue line indicates VP curve. After opening the photovoltaic from console, you have to turn on the output of the power supply. Now you can see the VI, the VP pointer, this is, and this is the VI pointer here. We have connected a load to this unit. Now as we vary the load, you can see the VI pointer and VP pointer is moving according to the variations in the load.